Hello guys, on today's video we're going to take one of these round mirrors and we're going to take the floor foam. This is the same method that we used for the last video. Just make sure to put a lot of hot glue in here before you attach it, and make sure to use another type of glue if you're going to put a lot of flour around it so it could be strong and it won't fall apart. So then after you put a lot of hot glue and you holding it down into attach into place and you let it dry, then we're gonna take I got these cute little flowers. So I want to make a few centerpieces with this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out and place it right inside in there. So you're just gonna and putting it inside like that until you do the whole thing like that all the way around it. When you attach all the flower around it, you're gonna take one of these glass, put a little bit of hot glue, and attach it right into place in there. Then after that, I'm gonna take this green leaves and the little flowers. I'm gonna place it like that, and then I'm going to place it right on top in there. So we're gonna continue placing leaves all the way around it so we won't show the floor foam. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of the white one around it as well, just to make it extra cute. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my candle and place it right inside in there. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy that you guys can do at home. This could be for any party decorations, and you could do with any color flower. And I think it will give you a cute little touch for your party decor DIY. For the next idea, we're going to take one of these wine glass like that, and we're going to use some spray painted in gold. After you spray painted in gold, we're going to use the same thing that we used before, but we're going to put a little bit of hot glue before all the way around it like that. Then once you do that, just place the mirror right on top with a bouquet of flower like that and attach it into place. Then once you attach it into place, then just go ahead and put your glass on top like that. And then I'm gonna take these cute little beads, like gold beads, and place it around just to make it look extra cute. So just put a few of them. Then after that, we're gonna take this crystal garland. And here, the good thing about this one that you could take it out and it will be shorter if you want it longer. It's up to you how you guys want it, which is our gray. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of the hot glue and attach it in there. You could also just attach it to the floral foam. Then you don't have to put the hot glue. So then just go ahead and do that. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This one is if you want to make it like a little taller version, so instead of a shorter versions. And I think it came out so cute and it's so easy for you guys to do at home for any party decorations idea. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take a tall glass and I'm gonna leave the candle in there just to give the cute little colors. And I'm gonna put the glass on top like that, the flower, and then I'm gonna put another glass with a candle in the other top like that. And this is super cute, simple, easy, and I think it looks great. And this is like more like a taller version, but I think it came out so pretty, and I love how this one turns out. Please comment down below and letting me know which one is your favorite out of all three of them. Which one would you like to do? Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Please not forget to share, comment. That will help out this page to grow. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.